There was an interesting article that came out in the Washington Post, and I wrote a response to it. But essentially, the post was writing the topic on this is how AI image generators see the world, and it then went about using a what I would say is a probably tier two, tier three level image generator called Stable Diffusion to create some like horribly biased images. And I think their point is like, look how terrible this thing is. It's showing you, hey, give me a picture of toys in Iraq. And it gives you like little toys with guns in it, according to the Stable Diffusion use, versus when you use a new tool like DALL-E 3 by OpenAI, gives you a multicultural, a very friendly type of image as a result, just showing you these tools are evolving very quickly. And ultimately, I think even though it does raise certain points about how they're playing whack-a-mole, responding to what people pay the most attention to, being like, look, I got to do something weird. The parallel here is that it wouldn't be a news article if I were to say there's a way that Google is teaching our kids how to make poison from apples. Literally, all you have to do is, can you make poison from apple seeds? And by the way, yeah, you can extract cyanide from enough apple seeds. And suddenly you've got a sensational story about how Google is teaching us. What we realized ultimately with Google as we normalize it as a society is that our understanding of if you search for weird, terrible things, you're going to get weird, terrible results. The search has become a bigger reflection on the person searching and their intent than the fact that you have access to that information in the same way that something trained on the entire internet's corpus, yeah, can say weird stuff. It absolutely can. And as we get normalized, same thing for images, to how these tools work, the type of prompt and the type of result is we and will become a bigger reflection on the person who did that request. But we have to build that muscle and we have to be intentional about how we use it.